Kyaka 2 refugee camp is found in the western part of Uganda in Kyegegwa district. The camp is over 81 square miles with over 27,000 refugees, mainly from Rwanda, Congo and Burundi, with many having spent the last 20 years or more in Uganda. Refugees in this camp praise Uganda for shelter, but they say all is not well as they no longer get enough to feed on.
We have many problems since we reached this camp. We keep eating maize repeatedly. Since we reached this camp, the maize has dried up and gotten spoiled.
The refugees who have been given the sheetings to use to cover or to the houses, that the new ones. For instance, like those ones whom we came in the same year are no longer receiving any assistance. Okay, so getting what to use for searching the houses is a big problem.
The government is also looking to provide the refugees with permanent structures to live in, with the Commissioner for Refugees saying that they're starting with Kyaka 2 refugee camp before they go to other camps. Each unit is to cost $800.
The structure averagely takes about $800 per unit. It has a pit latrine, it has a bath shelter, it has a utensils shed, and it's 2 bedrooms. It's about 800 units.
The minister also confirmed the government is holding talks with leaders of the refugees' home countries that have stabilized to find ways of seeing these refugees return home.
We're trying to see that the refugees go back home. The Rwandese refugees, we have about how many? 14,000? How many?
Around 12,000.
12,000. We are also urging, we have been having dialogue with the High Commissioner here, and we have been meeting with the authorities to see that they allow their citizens to go back.
The minister also said the refugees are to be given chance at jobs in Uganda since many of them are skillful, some even more than the natives.
Those who are considered as refugees by international convention, they are allowed to get gainful employment. Those who have capacity to get jobs, we shall not block them.